Microsoft Copilot and M365 Copilot. Despite sharing a common name, these two products serve unique functions and offer distinct benefits to businesses. This article aims to delve deep into the key differences, capabilities, and use cases of these AI tools to aid organizations in making an informed decision. Microsoft has been at the forefront of integrating AI into the digital workspace, with several groundbreaking AI-driven products already in operation and a few others on the horizon. These powerful AI tools are designed to enhance business operations, foster innovation, drive growth, and maintain competitiveness in the constantly evolving digital landscape. Microsoft's unwavering commitment to privacy, security, and responsible AI ensures that businesses can confidently embrace these AI tools without fear of data compromise. Initially known as Bing Chat Enterprise, Microsoft Copilot was launched at the Microsoft Ignite 2023 event. The rebranding was an attempt to create a unified Copilot experience for both consumers and commercial users. As a secure chatbot, Copilot uses public online data to generate its responses. It does not have access to an organization's data or content within Microsoft 365, such as documents in OneDrive, SharePoint, emails, or other Microsoft 365 data. This differentiates it from Copilot can be used to find up-to-date information on the web, curate diverse content, and understand and generate content in multiple languages. Microsoft has confirmed that the chatbot does not save or use your data for training purposes. Termed as the most powerful productivity tool on the planet, M365 Copilot is designed to seamlessly integrate with your favorite Microsoft 365 applications, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. This intelligent tool can quickly access your data and use large language models, LLMs, to provide real-time intelligent assistance. M365 Copilot can elevate your work to a whole new level by offering a wide range of powerful capabilities specific to each Microsoft 365 application. While both Microsoft AI tools are designed to boost workplace productivity, there are significant differences in their capabilities and features. Microsoft Copilot uses web data and LLMs to generate its content. As a free version of Microsoft's AI chatbot, it does not have access to your Microsoft data. This means that it can't search through your documents or files. On the other hand, M365 Copilot uses a combination of technologies to generate its natural language. It utilizes the web, LLMs, and your data in Microsoft 365. This integration into Microsoft 365 applications, such as Word or PowerPoint, allows M365 Copilot to offer a range of powerful capabilities specific to each app, access to data. While both tools utilize web data, M365 Copilot has access to your data within Microsoft 365. This allows it to act as a personal assistant by providing you with information pulled from your files within Microsoft 365.